Welcome to Xishuangbanna, Mengle Cultural Scenic Area. So it's my first time here and the buildings are just absolutely amazing. The amount of detail in the architecture is like nothing else and the size is just massive. And as normal, they build these temples on the top of mountains and the view from the glass platform is just amazing over the city. I'm really impressed. And we went to see an interactive show and that was also amazing. It's like the acrobatics and like the actors are all coming into the audience. Really impressive. Wow, just look at this here. It's absolutely massive. It's got to be about 30 meters tall. It looks so cool. A massive elephant figures, one with a big sword. That is really cool. So you need to go there and watch the show because it'll be really good.